everyone, and a very warm welcome. I hope you're excited for the next few days. It's going to be a great opportunity for you to learn, explore new ideas, and build skills that will stay with you for life. My name's Kate Tebbet, and I'm the Head of Community Engagement for Regency Assurance. We're a global insurance and financial services company registered in Nevis. We're proud to be a trusted provider of insurance and financial services to people all around the world. As part of our corporate social responsibility pledge, we believe in creating opportunities to empower young people like yourselves, further strengthening our communities, and that's exactly what this workshop's about. A huge thank you to Miss Taylor and Miss Bartlett for creating such a brilliant programme. They really have designed something special, and you'll get to learn some key skills, being able to think critically or creatively, working as part of a team, developing your leadership skills. These are real tools for success. I'd also like to take a minute to thank the Department of Youth for their creation of the Youth Impact 12 Awards programme, of which Miss Taylor and Miss Bartlett were recipients of an award. It's an incredible initiative, and Regency is proud to support the expansion of the programme so that opportunities like this can come to life. Enjoy the workshop and the very best from Regency in your future endeavours.